Many years ago, in an Arab country, there lived a kind and honest merchant named Omar. He was well known for his truthfulness and generosity. Because of his hard work and smart mind, Omar became a very successful businessman. One day, Omar was returning from a faraway city with his caravan of camels. His wagons were filled with precious goods. The journey was long and tiring, so Omar and his servants decided to camp near a desert for the night. In that same desert lived a thief named Kareem. When Kareem heard that a rich merchant had stopped nearby, he thought to himself, "If I steal his goods tonight, my life will change forever." As night fell, Kareem quietly walked through the sand and reached Omar's tent. He slowly started to open one of the boxes from the wagons. But suddenly, someone caught his wrist from behind. Kareem got scared and tried to run away, but Omar stopped him and said calmly, "Don't be afraid, my friend. I won't harm you, but tell me, why are you trying to steal?" Kareem looked down and said in a low voice, "I'm poor and hungry. I have no money and no food. I came to steal because I had no other choice." Omar looked into his eyes and said gently, "You are brave and clever enough to reach my camp quietly. If you can do this, you can also work hard and earn money honestly. You don't need to steal to survive." For the first time, Kareem felt the truth of those words. He realized that stealing could never make him rich or happy. Then Omar smiled and said, "If you truly want to change your life, come and work with me. I will teach you the ways of trade and business." Kareem was shocked. He never imagined that the man he tried to rob would offer him help. He asked, "Do you really want to give me this chance?" Omar nodded and said, "Yes, but on one condition. You must work with honesty and hard work." Kareem agreed immediately. From the next day, he started working with Omar. Omar taught him how to deal with customers, make fair deals, and earn through honesty. Years passed, and Kareem became a successful merchant. He was no longer poor or hungry. He also started helping other poor people, just like Omar once helped him. One day, Kareem said to Omar, "If that night you had punished me or sent me away, I would still be a thief today. You showed me the right path, and now I stand on my own feet." Omar smiled and replied, "Everyone deserves a second chance, but real change happens only when a person uses that chance wisely." Kareem bowed his head and said softly, "I will always be thankful to you, my teacher." Moral of the story: everyone deserves a second chance. With honesty, hard work, and good guidance, even a thief can become a good person.